Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we journey to one of the most captivating wonders of our solar system, Saturn's rings, a breathtaking crown of icy brilliance, a celestial masterpiece visible even through small backyard telescopes, and yet a cosmic mystery whose origin and fate remain one of astronomy's most fascinating stories. When Galileo first turned his telescope toward Saturn in 1610, he saw something strange, ears or handles on either side of the planet. It wasn't until decades later that Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens realized these were not moons at all, but a vast ring encircling the planet. What Galileo glimpsed was the first human encounter with one of nature's most magnificent structures. Saturn's rings are immense, yet impossibly thin. They stretch more than 170,000 miles from the planet, but in most places are less than a single kilometer thick. Composed mostly of water ice, mixed with dust and rock, the rings gleam like shards of glass suspended in the darkness of space. Each tiny particle, from the size of a grain of sand to a mountain, follows its own orbit, locked in a delicate gravitational dance. But where did they come from? For centuries, this question puzzled astronomers. One theory suggests that the rings are the shattered remains of a moon, torn apart by Saturn's immense gravity. Perhaps a comet strayed too close and was ripped apart into frozen fragments. Another possibility is that they are relics from the birth of Saturn itself, primordial material left over from the planet's formation, never gathered into a proper moon.
The Cassini spacecraft, which orbited Saturn from 2004 to 2017, offered our most detailed look yet. It revealed that the rings are far more dynamic than once believed. Bright bands and dark gaps ripple through them, carved by the gravitational pull of Saturn's many moons. Some moons act like cosmic shepherds, keeping ring particles in line, while others stir up waves that ripple across the icy plains. Cassini also measured something unexpected. The rings are losing material. Microscopic ice grains are pulled into Saturn's upper atmosphere by its magnetic field, creating what scientists call ring rain. At this rate, the rings could vanish in as little as 100 million years, a fleeting moment in cosmic time. To us, that may sound unimaginably long, but in the life of the solar system, it is like the blink of an eye. Imagine future astronomers looking at Saturn only to find a bare, stripped planet without its shimmering crown. The rings, so iconic to us, may be nothing more than a temporary feature, a phase in the life of a giant world. And yet, while they last, Saturn's rings are not just beautiful, they are also laboratories of physics, showing us how gravity sculpts matter, how planets form from disks of dust and gas, and how celestial bodies shape one another. In their icy worlds, we glimpse the same processes that built planets, moons, and perhaps even the seeds of life. The story of Saturn's rings is both ancient and fleeting. Born from destruction or creation, shaped by moons and magnetism, they are destined one day to fade away. But right now, in this brief cosmic moment, they dazzle us, an ever-changing masterpiece, reminding us of the fragile beauty of worlds beyond our own. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Saturn's magnificent rings. If you enjoyed this exploration of their origin and fate, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more voyages into the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up, because the cosmos always has another story to tell.